What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna complete the next stage of what I'm doing to the KTM 450 build. Pretty simple. We just switched up the plastic colors and then I had some graphics made to accommodate the new gray plastics. I also added some carbon fiber here on the tank covers. CMT sent me a bunch of carbon if you didn't watch the last video. The tank, the frame guards. They sent me a new skid plate. I haven't installed that yet. As well as these really trick engine hangers. I've never seen carbon fiber engine hangers before. Apparently they do exist because some of you guys told me about them, but these are pure carbon fiber. Some of you asked if they were a carbon fiber cover. They are the actual engine hanger, so that's pretty rad. Definitely coming along nicely. All the carbon's really tying in, and I finally got the front wheel back on the bike. And now we are continuing on with the progress of the new gray KTM. Also, some of you guys see the FXR in the background when I'm working on my other bikes. I did get some new suspension for this, so it's posted up over here. I don't know if you guys really care about street bike stuff, but FXR is a pretty rad bike to have, so stoked to have this thing up and running here pretty soon. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a build breakdown on this too. Definitely have some trick parts on it, but back to the dirt bike stuff. Later this week I will be riding this, so got a little bit of a photo shoot going on with my company Bump Start Coffee. We do have a couple new t-shirts coming out, so I'll be sure and plug that as the information comes out on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing up on a tripod, and I'll get some time lapses putting some graphics on this thing, and then we'll get to shred it later this week. All right, here we are so far. As you can see, it's pretty much the same exact design as the last black bike, but I did do regular numbers because I did want to do a little bit more track riding with this bike, and I think that's a little bit more fitting. So yeah, I mean, I wanted to get a little bit more use out of this graphic that my buddy Alex designed from For Those Who Sin. He's a LA artist who does some really cool work. I know that the bob wire and stuff isn't for everybody, but I don't know, it's just part of the reason that I started doing these builds was to kind of, I don't know, show some sort of expression, kind of just put some new art out there that isn't really hit the scene yet, and I really dig it. And if it's not for you, oh well, but I've gotten a lot of positive feedback and I don't know, so cool comments on it, so I really like it. And I thought I'd have a little bit more fun with it and do it in a gray. And I also, I haven't put this side on yet, but I also got it done in white too, with a white set of plastic. So maybe further on down the road, I will throw those on. But for now, I thought I'd update you guys, show you guys some progress. I think it looks really cool. I do want to get this suspension redone for outdoors so I can go kind of show this thing off at the normal public tracks. But for now, we'll just hit some ramps, have some fun on it. I will be doing that in a couple days, so I'll bring my GoPro, have some footage from that day as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other side on and I'll update you guys here in a second. All right guys, I got the left side all buttoned up to match the right side, and we did throw the Thrill Seeker seat cover back on, which I guess I'm kind of lucky that all blends with the new graphics. I'm very happy with the way it looks gray. I think maybe this was probably the way I should have gone in the first place, but the black was cool for the freestyle theme of the bike, originally for the FMX Fight Club. So I just posted a little teaser of this bike on Instagram with the new gray graphics, and somebody DM'd me saying that their gray bike looks a little better, so told them to meet me at the shop, and whoever's bike looks better, the loser has to light their bike on fire. So I guess we'll see how that goes. Oh, there it is. Let's check out this gray beast. I don't know, the thing doesn't have enough bob wire or flames to be competing with my bike. It's gonna have to light this thing on fire, I think.
Country dance, boy.
What up, Doc?
100,000 X, what up, homie?
Come here. She's a stranger.
That's my daughter, oh. That's my girl.
What is this thing?
Huh?
What is it?
Better than yours? It's a 450 XCS, but it's actually pretty unique because you know, it has the off-road training and stuff, but we put a Supercross like SX tank on it, and then
oh yeah, so it's skinnier.
Yeah, so it looks like a moto bike, but we have the feels of like your dual sport kind of desert bike with the headlight.
That's
so
sick.
Kind of your all around like
just a good trail bike.
Yeah,
that like is set up a little better.
Yeah, suspension wise, you can still ride it on Supercross, or not Supercross track, but motocross track. Be stoked on it.
Yeah.
And then take it to the desert, rip with the boys. 18-inch wheels in the rear though.
Oh yeah.
That's sick.
Let's unload her.
Yeah, that's it.
What you got going on, brother?
She came over to show Cole how to change a clutch basket. Give him a little tutorial.
These stock clutches are actually pretty sick. They have like, where'd the plate go? The little markings, engraving guy.
Right here.
They have like markings on these. You can see that on camera. You can kind of see the dashes, but you change like the stock tension, I guess. So you can kind of actually have a little bit more adjustability. I actually would like to have a little bit more tension so it hits harder, so
Should try it.
I might swap mine out. You trying to get up and go on this thing or what, brother?
You know it.
Do you think, Malls?
Terrible. You got two different grays here. You got Cole with the light gray.
I got night photo in progress, and you just go ahead and walk right in my shot. just kill the shot.
Sorry, forgot the photographer was here. I built both these. This is the dark gray in this machine. Got the light gray on Cole's machine. Cole bought another drift car, 4-door.
Hey, let's try it.
He wants to try to get it in the back, but it's cool. Have you guys met Chance yet?
No.
He just got a new dropper
I don't
post.
exist.
He just got a new dropper post on his Max. He wants to fit in with all the Harley dudes, but accidentally bought a dyno, not a dyna. Came with a BMX bike.
He came with a BMX bike.
Go like this.
Oh, Cole, I'm just filming. Just walk straight through, dude.
Actually,
Hi. Molly,
make sure it focuses.
which
on
one's
the
your
bike.
favorite? Light gray or dark
No,
gray?
do the front one.
Stand up if you like the light gray bike. Keep laying down if you like the dark gray. 3, 2, 1. Damn, I feel you.
Yeah, Jesus. Alright, I'm not gonna be a touchback. Ready?
Okay.
I can't look at that guy in the face for that long.
I want to murder him. Long never stared at Cole. It's kind of ugly.
What do you want me to do?
Placeholders for me. Oh, Chance is talking.
Well, I don't know if I talked about what we did. Did I?
What did we do?
Did I put this in your face yet?
Yeah, maybe. What did we
What
do?
did we do? Say you have to tell everyone what we did.
Today I woke up.
Skip a few hours ahead.
Okay, so at that point, I might have just finished a photo shoot.
No, like what did we do when we got here? So I don't want people just to think that you brought your bike here just to have gray bikes here, and then
But that's what we did.
you brought your gray bike. You drove your gray bike 2 hours just to do a photo shoot.
What did we do? You gotta tell me the logistics of it.
Um,
We both had clutch kits.
yeah, we had clutch kits. So Mikey did a Hinson clutch on this bike, like the one I have in mine. And he didn't have the right impact tool to do it, so we brought it here to do it. That's pretty much it.
We just thought we'd have a friendly hangout wrench session.
Hanging wrench, that's what I'm talking about.
Wait, where's your Phillips?
Don't ask me questions like that. Where's my what?
This is the tool I drove here for. The Phillips.
There goes a sight from my soul.